Welcome back to Autosport Designs on this beautiful winter afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at this 1957 Porsche Speedster. It's quite a unique car, great history. Hop on in, we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are, like I said, 57 Porsche Speedster, but this car started life as a coupe. Over a 6-year period, it was fully converted to Speedster Carrera GS GT look. Hence the bumpers, the engine lid, the wheels, really turned out great. It's got a 1.6 liter engine with twin plug. Still the 4-speed manual gearbox. We'll do a little cold start here. Key on, give it a little pump. It's got the Carrera GS GT exhaust, the pea shooter, one out the middle. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, we got a little temperature. Got oil temp in our 57 Speedster conversion, as you will. We have a little tack issue, so the tack's going to be repaired before we sell her. But what a cool car. My goodness. The build quality, you can tell, is very good. Great wood wheel. It does have an 8,000 RPM tack. 120 mile an hour speedo, oil temp gauge, not just a linear gauge, but a numerical oil temp gauge, which is great. Handles really well, great sound out of that twin plug, 1.6 liter engine. Great quintessential 356 horn. It's also been upgraded to 12 volt charging, 12 volt battery, 12 volt electrical. So that's really good. Chilly winter day, but feels good in here. Really does. Beautiful ivory over the red leather, red square weave carpeting, black rubber mats as original. It's got a black folding soft top along with a full black Tonneau, which is currently the black top boot. In case you forget, 4 speeds written up on the dash here. But man, it feels really good. What a cool little car. So nice. Forget how nice these 356s are, especially when they're set up well like this one is. We're going to come up here to the S's and we'll throw her through her paces a little bit. All right. Really pulls well. In addition to the body, bumpers, wheels, the 1.6 liter twin plug is made to look like a 4-cam engine by the way the valve covers are done. Really great look. You look at the pictures, it's so cool. And the engine lid's louvered like a Carrera would be, and then you open up the engine lid and it looks like a 4-cam motor. The shroud, the valve covers, really great look. You should check out the pictures. So we'll come up here and we'll do some flybys for you. You guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Such a cool car. Again, set up so well. fun to drive, easy to drive. Everybody looks at you, lots of attention. Thumbs up. It's really a quintessential Porsche, so well known. But then the colors really make it nice. This ivory over red is quite nice. We're gonna come up here to the farm road and we'll put her through her paces a little bit. All right, we got a green light, so here we go. Wow, such a cool car. Pulls so well, engine sounds great, clutch, gearbox, really good. Suspension, brakes, everything feels really good in this car. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. This is a great little car. So like and subscribe, comment as well. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.